There is a place in the universe where time slows down, a place where light disappears forever, a place so powerful that once you cross its invisible boundary, nothing, not even the fastest thing in the universe, can ever escape. Scientists call it a black hole. But here is the strange part: nobody has ever seen a black hole directly. No spacecraft has ever visited one, and if you ever tried to get close enough to study it, you would never come back. Some scientists believe black holes are the universe's greatest destroyers. Others think they could be the key to understanding time, gravity, and even the birth of new universes. But what exactly is hiding inside a black hole? Does everything simply disappear, or is there something even stranger waiting beyond it? Today, we are diving into one of the greatest mysteries in existence. Welcome to Unseen World. A black hole isn't a giant hole floating through space. It isn't an empty tunnel. In fact, it's one of the most crowded places in the universe. Imagine squeezing the entire Earth into the size of a marble. Now imagine squeezing the Sun into a ball only about 20 kilometers wide. That's how dense a black hole is. Its gravity becomes so strong that space itself bends around it. Anything nearby gets pulled toward it: stars, planets, gas, dust, even light. That's why the black holes appear completely dark. Not because they are empty, but because nothing can escape their grip. Every star has a life. For millions or even billions of years, stars produce enormous amounts of energy, but eventually they run out of fuel. Small stars quietly fade away, but massive stars die differently. They explode in a gigantic supernova. The explosion is brighter than billions of suns. After the blast, the star's core begins collapsing. Gravity keeps crushing it smaller and smaller until the remaining matter is squeezed into an unbelievably tiny space. At that moment, a black hole is born. It's like gravity wins the ultimate battle. Every black hole has an invisible border. Scientists call it the event horizon. Think of it as the point of no return. Cross this line and escape becomes impossible. Even if you travel at the speed of light, you will never make it back. What's frightening is that this border is invisible. You wouldn't even notice crossing it. There would be no warning signs, no walls, no alarms, just one step too close, and your journey home would never end forever. Imagine floating towards a black hole. At first, everything seems normal, but soon gravity begins pulling your feet much harder than your head. Your body stretches longer and longer like spaghetti. Scientists actually have a name for this. They call it spaghettification. Eventually, the stretching becomes so extreme that every atom in your body is pulled apart. You wouldn't survive, but strangely, if the black hole is enormous enough, you might cross the event horizon without feeling anything at all. Only later would gravity become impossible to escape. Here's where things becomes truly unbelievable. According to Einstein, gravity affects time itself. Near a black hole, time moves slower, much slower. Imagine spending 1 hour close to a supermassive black hole. When you return, years or even centuries may have passed for everyone else. This isn't science fiction, it's real physics. The stronger gravity becomes, the slower time flows. Some scientists believe black holes are the closest thing nature has to a time machine. Our Milky Way has its own giant black hole. It's called Sagittarius A. It contains the mass of around 4 million suns, yet it fits inside an area smaller than our solar system. The good news is about 26,000 light years away, so we are completely safe. But astronomers have watched stars racing around an invisible object there for decades. Only one thing could create such enormous gravity: a supermassive black hole quietly waiting at the heart of our galaxy. For years, black holes remained invisible. Scientists could only detect them by watching nearby stars. Then in 2019, history changed. The Event Horizon Telescope captured humanity's first ever image of a black hole. Not the black hole itself, but the glowing ring of hot gas surrounding it. Millions of computers worked together. Radio telescopes across Earth acted like one giant telescope. The result became one of the greatest scientific achievements ever. For the first time, humanity looked into the darkness. Some scientists have wondered, what if black holes don't destroy everything? What if they lead somewhere else? This idea is connected to something called wormhole, a shortcut through space and time. Imagine folding a piece of paper. Instead of traveling across the page, you punch a hole straight through it. That's how a wormhole might work. But here's the problem: nobody has ever found one. Nobody proves they exist. For now, they remain one of the science's biggest mysteries. The greatest question is surprisingly simple: what happens inside a black hole? The truth is, nobody knows. Our current laws of physics stop working. Einstein's theory predicts one thing, quantum physics predicts another. Some scientists believe information is destroyed, others insist it's somehow preserved. This disagreement is called the black hole information paradox. Even the world's smallest physicists continue searching for the answer. Perhaps one discovery could completely change our understanding of reality. Black holes are more than giant cosmetic monsters. They challenge everything we think we know: space, time, gravity, reality itself. They remind us that even after centuries of scientific discovery, the universe still holds secrets beyond our imagination. Maybe one day humanity will finally unlock the mystery hidden inside a black hole. Until then, the darkness continues to keep its greatest secret. If you enjoyed exploring one of the universe's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Unseen World, and turn on notifications for more fascinating journeys to the unknown. Because sometimes the greatest mysteries aren't hidden on Earth, they are waiting for us among the stars. Subscribe to Unseen World. where mysteries come alive.